Good evening, friends, viewers, subscribers. Today, I would like to speak on the third wave of the coronavirus that is knocking at our doorsteps. Now, everybody knows that the coronavirus has not ended. थर्ड वेव एक तिसरी वेव म्हणून येवपाची आसा. आतां ही तिसरी वेव येतली आनी बंद जातली अशी कांय ना. लारां येवंक शकतात व्हायरसाची. बिकॉज हे व्हायरस जी आसा इट इज कंटिन्युअसली म्युटेटिंग. आतां आयजूच रिपोर्ट येयला की डेल्टा प्लस म्हणून व्हायरस कोरोना व्हायरस हॅज बीन डिटेक्टेड इन द बॉर्डरिंग प्लेसेस ऑफ गोवा इन महाराष्ट्र. And Chief Minister has admitted there is something known as Delta is already detected in the state. आता झाला कितें? They have to send this to Pune. Till today we do not have a laboratory in the state. Why is this happening? Now so long there was, you could start, the Chief Minister says we have allowed private laboratories to open up. Arey Baba, just allowing does not happen, it has to happen. The laboratory has to be established as early as possible because this detection that is going to Pune, coming back is delaying time and the mutation is going on. And it is going to go on. Therefore, the question now arises is, are we going to repeat the same mess? This government is going to repeat the same mess that happened in the second wave of the COVID? Are we prepared? Is infrastructure in place? Is oxygen in place? Medicine today, he says that the purchase committee has been extended till 30th June, and by latest by 30th June we will put a bulk order and it will make the order, and then when it will come. Are the government, is it serious? I am only alerting the government. I am only questioning the government. I am not making any charges against this government. Has the government understood what went wrong? Unless you understand what went wrong, it will be difficult to find a solution. First, you have to admit, understand, and find a solution. Are the strategies in place, or are we going to say we didn't expect this much and that much? Are we prepared for the worst that could happen? God forbid that such a thing happen. But are we prepared for it? Now, after having all this infrastructure in place, how do we prevent and defend and fight this COVID? The best and only way is vaccination. Make it 100%. I must admit that the government has done a very good job. Goa is small. Chief Minister has announced yesterday 7.5 lakhs is already vaccinated. That would mean that almost 50% is done. But finish it as early as possible. Madhya Pradesh, 8 lakhs people have been vaccinated on one day, somewhere else 14 lakhs has been. Then why not in Goa complete it within 3-4 days? See, the front line warriors, the health workers are doing a tremendous job. But if they do not get the infrastructure to work on it, they are not miracles there. They are not miracle men and women there who are working. They are slogging and their families are at risk. But the government seems to be now 7.5 lakhs is still. I must admit that the government has done a good job. But you cannot remain complacent by saying, yes, I have finished 7.5. Question is, when will you finish the balance? Because that is, vaccination is the only way to prevent and fight and defend this coronavirus. Now, when this virus comes in, there is a likelihood to be another lockdown. Today, the economical situation is in a disastrous position. The daily wage worker, the worker who earns his daily bread, doesn't know where to go, doesn't know where to get his bread from. Are these economic packages in place now to face this situation? Because along with this COVID, third wave, you will get a psychological problem. You will get an economical problem. Are these strategies in place to take care of these emerging situations? Has the government ready with it? With a compensatory fund to immediately dispatch to the people who lose their loved ones, who lose their bread earners, who lose the person who is to get them the daily bread. I am again trying to make one thing very clear, that I am not trying to point fingers out at this government, because these are all unseen situations. But when we know what is our assessment, what is the strategy in place, just by saying, Vyupachi Garaz na. Now today, the Deputy Chief Minister of Goa, Babu Asgaonkar, who is to talk about the show must go on, and he is talking of Vyupachi Garaz na. Now what is he trying to say? The show will go on and Vyupachi Garaz na? Tell your ministers not to contradict on this and not to make statements on this and create confusion. I know that many are just criticizing, because the role of an opposition, of any opposition for that matter, is to criticize. But in these times, I am not again pointing out fingers at one. I am trying to say, yes, you have done a mess. A mess took place. You were not prepared for it, though it was coming. Now, the third wave is knocking at the doors. Anytime, any virus which we have not faced before, are we ready for all this? You are sending your samples to Pune. We have allowed outside private laboratory to open. Allowing to open, it should be opened. So everything is settled by within 24 hours to know what sort of a virus it is and what sort of a virus we are dealing with. I hope, pray that God forbid that a third disaster come in, but definitely there will be preventive measures which will bring economical problems to the poorest of poor, and for that the government has to be ready with an economic package so that all are kept safe and comfortable, at least to have the daily bread.